biggest challenge you and your team has faced in last 1.5 year, and what did you learn from it?
See, COVID brought in several challenges. One of the challenges was that your physical points closed for a certain period of time, right? But I am not a product where you can stop engaging with customer, right? So we sell loans. So even if you are not selling new loans, there are customers in lakhs whom you are servicing for different purposes. You have to collect your EMIs. You have to ensure that a lot of other kinds of documentation or things they expect a brand in terms of customer maintenance. They continue and without any issue. So one of the challenges was that when you are not having your physical points working, how do you step up and reach out to all the consumers through different modes and keep them engaged during that period? How do you ensure? So one of the brand values of TVS Credit is empathy. So now it is not just there to put it out that we are an empathetic brand. It reflected in several initiatives we took last year, right from putting out transparent terms in terms of moratorium. How do customers can avail of it and sail through that period when the income of these customers might have been impacted, right? How do you communicate them with regularly? Almost all the content buckets on my social media platforms became product agnostic. We were not trying to hard sell. So the idea was that how do you make them? I think the challenge was, how do you make them remain connected with the brand when there is no actual transaction happening during those 3-4 months of lockdown which had happened initially. Of course, things opened up later, and that helped a lot. So I think one of the challenges was keeping customers regularly engaged and not try to sell something, but ensure that your values go through in terms of empathy. I think that was one of the challenges or learning, whatever way you put it across. Second thing was, as I said in the previous answer also, that as new people started joining digital, they started seeing newer problems. Their journeys were supposed to be different, right? So how do you really anticipate or make your UI and UX so simple that anybody who wants to use digital can do it, right? So that I saw a lot of brands, if you look at all the major apps in India, underwent that change in terms of UI. I think that was another big learning for me from digital's point of view. Then it's not just the customers. My business also is very employee or people centric, right? We have thousands of employees out there in the field, and they are the ones who are serving the customer. So as a good brand, right, I also have to own the employer branding initiatives, ensure that our employees are kept informed of everything what's happening in the organization. It's a dispersed workforce, so there could be sometimes this sense of alienation if you are not going to your offices and working from home, right? So how do you remain connected with them? How do you ensure that as an employer you are perceived to be a good brand, because these employees are the face of the brand at the field? So that was an important part. I would not say a learning. It is a challenge because this new normal of working from home was new for everybody, right? So how do you really step up and ensure, and things were happening, there were tragedies and there were a lot of things. So how do you keep the morale high? I think that was another challenge and learning during this period. And internal communications team or the communication teams play a very important role during this period. Then of course, a large part of our business is sourced through channel partners and all, so OEM dealers and all. So that is another key segment with which you have to continue your engagement programs. So without being physical meetings and all. So I think the challenge of remote working and newer digital adoption and actual transactions not happening, these three were the key challenges, and where communication, branding, your digital channels played a very important role. I feel that it was a steep learning curve for not only me but many of my team members.